Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can exploit the activity. So let's see. Let's open the Android manifest file in the notepad, and here we need to check the activity. Okay. So activity, and one more thing we need to notice. So if the activity is exported true, so we have to search for exported true. Exported exported equal. So here we are getting this one exported true, and now let's try to exploit this activity. Let's see how we can exploit it. So let's open the command prompt, as I am using here cmd. So now first of all we have to connect with the emulator, and adb connect, and the IP address 192.168.1. We have to check it again, 1.4. Enter, and it's connected. Okay. Now we have to check for this activity adb shell am start -n, and now the package name of the application. So the package name is, this is the package name, Jakhar Asim Diva. So this is the package name, and after that activity name. So again we have to check the export true, exported equal. So here is the exported true activity. So let's try to exploit this activity. Copy this one and paste here. Now you can see my application is already closed, and it will open the nodes provider. Maybe it can disclose some data that inside are saved inside the nodes. Hit enter. So error, I am getting the error. So I am not able to exploit this activity. Does not exist. Maybe there are some mistake. Jakhar Simdiva provider, nodes provider, Jakhar Simdiva provider, nodes provider. Let's check again. adb shell am start -n, and the package name is Jakhar Simdiva. And let's try to exploit it. Hit enter. No, I'm not able to exploit it. So this is how we can exploit, but this activity is not exploitable. So let's check any other activity. Again we have to check the export equal to true. Only one is there, so leave it. We will check any other activity. These are activities we can try to exploit. Jakhar Asim Diva access control 3 not activity. Let's try to exploit this one activity. Hit enter. Oh, it's not working. Connection. adb devices. So yeah, I'm already connected. Now adb shell m start -n. So this is the access control 3 nodes activity ty, and the package name is Jakhar Asim Diva. Hit enter. Yeah, so here you can see it's called direct activity call. So here what I did, I use here adb shell command, and after that am start. Am means activity manager, start hyphen n, and Jakhar assume diva means it's a package name of the application. After that the activity name. So here just I copied from the Android manifest file the activity name, and I just hit enter, and it open the same activity in the application. So now if before registration something or before login or before authenticate, if any activity open, there is no like a much impact on that application. But if you are able to call such activity that is after the authentication, so you don't have a username and password, and you call that activity, means some dashboard activity or any other activity like any credential related, profile related, or any other activity that you cannot get before authentication, it's after authentication. Okay, so if you are able to call that activity, then it's called authentication bypass by direct activity call. This is how you can direct activity call. Okay, so hope it's clear to you. Any other we will try some other activities. View credential, let's try this. No, this is action, this is not activity. So these are activities, sorry, log activities. So let's check this log activity. Again we will run same command, just change the activity here. After the package name, hit enter. Sorry, again we have to connect. No, I'm getting the error, so I'm not able to exploit it. Okay, but sometime it give us the full access, like it authenticate. Okay, sometime it authenticate just by direct activity call. So you have to check this. I have a lot of POC, but it's on like a real project, I can't show you here. But this is how just you have to copy this activity, and if it call like any activity that like we can use after the after the registration. Okay, so after the login or after authentication, if you are able to call that activity, then it's a vulnerable. Okay, hope it's clear to you. So any other, let's try this one activity, insecure data storage activity. And let's hit enter. Okay, so here we are able to open the diva private nodes. So we are not here like we don't know the correct pin of this application. So this activity, but this is just a random, I put 1 2 3 4. But if it give you direct access to some sensitive data, some credentials, some like your profile or some any other sensitive data, then it's a vulnerable. Okay, hope it's clear to you. This is how we exploit the activity.